Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create such a checklist on Google Docs, and it's pretty simple to do, so let's get started. Now first of all, you of course want to write down the title, for example, something like that. Now I will make it a lot bigger and I will make the alignment in the center. Now let's do a checklist, so I will turn off that bold and let's leave the sizing the same and alignment right there. And now you want to write down your checklist. So for example, let's write down something like that. And this. Now you have created, for example, a checklist. All you have to do is choose all of this. And now you want to go ahead right there at the top. It may look a little bit different for you, but basically you're gonna see the alignment, and now you will see a checklist right here. So you're gonna click the checklist menu, and you can choose two options. You can either choose the one where, for example, when you do this, it crosses out, or you can also choose an option which doesn't do that. It just basically goes with the checklist. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.